Hi everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. So I went to my local Daiso over the weekend and I picked up a couple of Halloween goodies that I found that are Disney themed. So I just wanted to post this. I don't know if they just pulled these out this weekend, but these I wanted to share with you so that if you do have a local Daiso, you can go ahead and jump into the store. The stores are open in my area. I believe they also have online shipping. You can also order online. But I wanted to pick up a couple of things for my nieces for my boo box to send to them this year. So I picked up two of these. These are really cute little Minnie Mouse felt bags. And what I'm going to do is I'll probably personalize this and put their names on the back, Lexi and Aria, and then I'll just maybe put some bling right here, or maybe I'll add one of my Eva bows. One of my sweet crafty friends, she makes these handmade bows using faux leather, and I will link her information in the description box below. She's on Instagram. I can put one of these right here just to alter it. So super cute. So it says Disney Daiso. Too cute. I also found two buckets, or three different types of buckets. I didn't take any pictures, but I believe they have a black one, an orange one, the hot pink one, I think 3 different colors. So I bought the hot pink one. This one says Halloween, Just Say Boo. That's their theme this year. It's so cute, and on the back it has Donald Duck, Goofy, and Pluto. So cute, the little buckets. Look at that. So hopefully you can find those. I found 3 different types of washi tape. This is a really cute design. They're like little Mickey head pumpkins and ghosts. And then this one is of Minnie and Mickey. Scare up some fun. So cute. And then the last one that I found was Mickey and Friends. So super cute. I hope you stick around because I'll definitely share with you how I package these boo buckets into my boo boxes. And then I found these little earrings. They're so cute. I actually purchased one for myself so I can wear for like Disney themed meetups if we have those. Again, we used to meet at Downtown Disney. So cute. And then they had a couple of Halloween cellophane bags. There's 10 in this pack. And it has stickers as well. There's no gusset, it looks like. It says that there's some stickers. Clear plastic bag with stickers. So I wonder if they are referring to the sticker backing. So you can fold it over. Let me open it up and see. Yeah, I don't see any stickers, so I'm thinking that they're referencing the little sticky bag where you can kind of put a sweet treat in here, fold it over like so, and it kind of goes like this. Just say boo. Just like that. How cute is that? So cute, and it's clear. So I picked some up. And that's one set. And then this is another design that they have. And this one, there's 5 pieces in this one. And this one is a shaped plastic bag. There's 5 pieces. There's no gusset. And I guess you can, they come with twist ties, so you can kind of pull them together and then just bunch it up and create a little cellophane pumpkin and add a little cute little little ribbon, if you will. And then the last one that I found was this one. This is not a Disney theme, but this is the only Pastel-Halloween version that I found. Have a nice trick or treat, and it's a little Ziploc cupcake. I only found one, so sad. I wanted to send some more for Happy Mail for my Pastel-Halloween winner in a boo box, but I only found one. I'm going to try to go to my other Daiso today. Today's Sunday, so I am going to definitely see if there's more. Then I found these mini flags that you can decorate your boo box with. There's a front and a back, and you can also take these apart and use them as embellishments if you wanted. And these are the designs that they have. So cute. And lastly, this is the flag. I think, yeah, it's a paper flag also. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. You can hold it up, or you can put it up in your office, or decorate a spooky space with it. So cute. I only found one of those as well. I also found a couple of other random things that I guess I'll just show. These are little pom-pom, little twisty ties that I found. It's so cute, and these are the two colors that I found. I also found some more origami paper in these adorable styles, the swans and the unicorn. And also this is double-sided in the a sweet treat version, a summer fruit version, a candy, and a donut version. So cute. And then I found this. I'm going to stick this in my Pastel-Halloween winners box. What are you up to? And this is a little letter set. It comes with an envelope and some lined paper, as well as some stickers. I found some Hello Kitty themed goodies. I don't know if... I think there was only one that I found that was new. I'm doing a Hello Kitty swap. So this is a little toothbrush set. Who doesn't love a little Hello Kitty toothbrush set? I found this cloth version of a Hello Kitty bag. Dress you up in style, and it has some really cute little images. In front, it's a drawstring mini bag, and it is official, made in China. Then I know that a couple months ago, and probably in March or April, they had these out, so I picked up more. This is the zip top bag. It's a yellow gingham. Really cute. And then this one is also a little bag to store your clothes, your sweaters. And then this one is a new one I haven't ever seen. Sweets make me happy. Hello Kitty. I love apple pie. There's a different images of some sweet treats, and there's 5 in this pack. And some additional things I picked up that are random. These are punching molds. I do like to bake. So these are some Disney molds that you can cut up, either like the mini cookies, little sugar cookies. Too cute. And then this is a little pick, a Disney pick. 2 different styles that you can add to your embellishments. And then this was a message card set with little cute little designed paper to add your little message with envelopes. And then this one is, I think, also another. It's a gift card set. You can put your little gift card, put a little happy birthday, and this is a little envelope. It's too cute. They have so many cute designs. I did pick up a little Winnie the Pooh one for a friend. And then these, I found some nail stickers. So cute with the little faces. Too cute. And then I found a sticker set that I can add to little embellishments for my Disney themed embellishments. And then this is a little notebook, little Minnie Mouse lined notebook, and there's little bow designs at the bottom of the page. So cute. And then this is such a cute little washi tape dispenser, and it comes with 2 washi tapes. They do offer a lot of other types of adult that cost more than $1.50. This is 300 yen, and I believe it's like $2, or well, maybe a little bit less than $2. There's a little mirror that I picked up for a crafty friend. And then lastly, I picked up these 2 little table organizers. I'm going to be altering, and these 2. So this one is $1.50. They have different designs in this clear pink type of color, and I was going to embellish this and gift some embellishments in here and put some bag toppers and whatnot. And then in here as well for little goodies, you can easily embellish the tops. I think I've seen a couple of people, YouTubers, that have created little purses. So they decorate the sides so that you can create a little handle on the top. So I wanted to see if I can try my hand at this. So this is a future project. So thank you so much for watching. If you've watched this far, I am doing a hidden giveaway. So I picked up a couple of additional bags and washi tapes. So if you stuck with me this long and you wanted to be entered, I will be gifting and mailing in the United States. Please put in the comments boo from wherever state you're from, so that you can let me know that you are interested in entering this hidden giveaway. Just write in your comments below, boo from California, for example, boo from Florida, for example. So you're gonna win this and this, and these 2 washi tapes, and what else? Anything else? Oh, and then these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. All right, so thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment if you'd like. It's always appreciated. I read all your comments that are always so very sweet. And thank you for taking the time to spend with me this Sunday, or whenever day you watch this video. Happy crafting, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye.